Welcome. Divorce is a life-changing event that can leave you feeling lost, uncertain, or questioning your self-worth. But it's also an opportunity to rebuild, rediscover yourself, and grow stronger. In today's video, we'll explore 5 practical tips to help you improve your self-esteem and embrace this new chapter with confidence and resilience. Let's dive in. Step 1 is to acknowledge your emotions without judgment. Divorce is an emotional roller coaster that can bring up feelings like anger, sadness, guilt, or even relief. It's normal to feel a mix of emotions, and the key is to allow yourself to experience them without labeling them as right or wrong. Try journaling to articulate what you're feeling. Write freely without editing or self-criticism. This practice can bring clarity and release. If emotions become overwhelming, consider speaking with a therapist or counselor who can guide you through this healing process. Remember, processing your emotions doesn't mean dwelling on them. It's about accepting where you are today and laying the groundwork for moving forward with strength and self-awareness. Step 2 is focusing on rediscovering your identity. Marriage often intertwines your sense of self with your role as a partner, and divorce can feel like losing a part of who you are. But it's also an opportunity to reconnect with yourself and explore who you are as an individual. Start by reflecting on your interests and passions. What activities or hobbies bring you joy? Maybe there's a creative outlet you've neglected or a skill you've always wanted to learn. Take small steps to engage in these activities, whether it's signing up for a class, joining a group, or simply dedicating time to something you love. By focusing on what makes you unique, you'll begin to rebuild a sense of identity and confidence in yourself. Step 3 is surrounding yourself with positive support. Divorce can feel isolating, but you don't have to face it alone. Building a network of supportive people can provide the encouragement and understanding you need during this time. Reach out to friends or family members who uplift you, or consider joining a support group where others share similar experiences. Sometimes the people you expect to lean on may not understand what you're going through, and that's okay. It's essential to prioritize relationships that are positive and affirming. Create boundaries with individuals or environments that drain your energy or bring negativity. A strong support system reminds you of your worth and helps you stay grounded in the belief that you can navigate this transition. Step 4 is setting small, achievable goals. Rebuilding after a divorce can feel overwhelming when you focus on the big picture. Instead, break your journey into manageable steps that help you regain control and momentum. Start with daily or weekly goals like setting a morning routine, cooking a healthy meal, or taking a short walk. These seemingly small actions have a powerful impact. Each completed goal reinforces your capability and confidence. Over time, these small wins build into larger accomplishments, reminding you that you're in control of shaping your new chapter. Celebrate your progress, no matter how minor it may seem. It's all part of the process. Finally, step 5 is prioritizing self-care and self-compassion. Divorce often brings significant stress, so nurturing your physical and emotional well-being is crucial. Start with the basics. Make time for sleep, healthy meals, and physical activity. These simple habits form the foundation for resilience and healing. Self-compassion is equally important. Avoid negative self-talk and treat yourself with kindness. When you catch yourself being overly critical, ask, would I say this to a friend in the same situation? The answer is likely no. Give yourself the patience and understanding you deserve. Take time to engage in activities that bring you peace and joy, whether it's meditating, journaling, or indulging in a relaxing spa day. Healing takes time, but each act of self-care helps you rebuild your self-esteem and move forward with confidence. Rebuilding self-esteem after divorce is a journey, and it starts with intentional steps like these. For more strategies to boost your confidence and embrace personal growth, check out our short guide in PDF, Cultivating Self-Esteem. Strategies to improve self-esteem and self-confidence. Packed with actionable tools, it's designed to help you thrive in this new chapter of life. You'll find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Divorce is undoubtedly challenging, but it's also an opportunity for growth and rediscovery. By embracing your emotions, reconnecting with your identity, and surrounding yourself with positivity, you can rebuild your self-esteem and create a fulfilling new chapter. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on personal growth and confidence. Let's keep growing together. See you in the next video.